When you first enter our Nailsworth showroom, you're greeted by our Visiline extension hub. We've created this extension hub to show you our Visiline 2 sliding door, our Visiline bifold door, and our Visiline windows. Directly opposite, you've got our Internorm HS330 triple glazed sliding door. This particular example on display is 10 metres wide by 2.5 metres tall with a glass corner and a 3 metre return. This is the largest Internorm HS330 door on display in any showroom throughout Europe. We really wanted to try and capture how big you can go with this amazing door. As we walk further into the showroom, we're then greeted by 13 different styles of windows from Internorm, Visiline, Rationale and Velfac. So you really get an understanding of what these windows look like side by side when you're comparing colour options, design options, aesthetics, opening configurations and sightlines. So it gives a really good understanding of each product. As we move further through the showroom, through our Rationale sliding door, past our numerous awards, and through this gorgeous arcade pivot door, we then enter our door showroom, where we've got 6 different styles of entrance doors on display, from Internorm, Visiline, Rationale and arcade door systems, a Solarlux Highline triple glazed bifold door, and our Visiline triple glazed, triple track slimline sliders.